Today, we've got these amazing cowboy butter grilled ribeye steaks with queso stuffed sweet peppers. Chef Justin here with Fresh from Florida. We are in the backyard grilling. Let's get started.
Well, let's take a look at our cowboy butter. This is a delicious dipping and basting sauce. Adding all of our ingredients, our butter, garlic, herbs, lemon, smoked paprika. All these great things are gonna come together. Add this to the back of our grill. We don't want it to come to a boil, we just want it nice and melted. Next, we're gonna take a look at our Florida sweet peppers. We just wanna cut these in half and remove our seeds, and then we could stuff them with our shredded cheese. And then season them up lightly with a little bit of our barbecue seasoning and herbs right on top. Let's get these on our hot grill so they can get nice and charred on the bottom and bubbly cheesy on top. Let's go ahead and season up our bone-in ribeye steaks with our barbecue seasoning, nice and generously on both sides. These are gonna cook for 2 or 3 minutes on each side. We want them about 130 degrees for medium rare. And when we flip this over, we can use a little bit of our cowboy butter and baste these nicely and let them rest for about 5 minutes before we cut into them. We're gonna serve this all up together and baste a little more of our cowboy butter sauce on top of these steaks.
And there you have it, our char grilled ribeye steaks with Florida cowboy butter and queso stuffed grilled sweet peppers. This recipe is on our website at freshfromflorida.com. Make sure to give it a visit. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.